Hi everybody, I'm Ann, and I wanted to talk to you about something really simple that you can do in your garden to help give the little critters water, everything from the birds, the butterflies, your pollinators, and it's just really simple. It's great for hummingbirds, but the little birds really do love it. So this is so simple, you're just not going to believe it. Here we go. This is a little pet waterer that you can get. And what's cool is it runs off a USB. So you can get the little battery packs, and they're really cheap. Usually about 10 bucks a piece if you buy like the 2 packs and stuff. And you charge them up. And what I do is I buy those little pencil cases that are plastic, and I stick it inside there to protect it, and I'll run the cable down underneath the table or something and secure it. But the birds absolutely love coming over here and getting a little bath and a drink, and the bees and the butterflies. This was the cheapest one that I found, and I really love it. I want to get a couple more of them. I think they were only about $13 or $14, whereas these other ones run more like around 20. But they're simple, super easy to put together, and like I said, they run off USB. You just charge that up. I'm going to show you another one that I got over here. It's just a little bit different. But give your critters some water. And then I also buy some of the solar pumps and just put different nozzles on them for the fountains. This one here I have to take apart because it's got some flower stuff in it, so it's not working right at the moment. It's getting plenty of sun, but I can hear it running, so it's going to be taken apart and cleaned up. This one's working really good. And what I like about this one is it's got this little decorative thing around the thing, and so the birds land on the bowl, but they, I don't have to worry about them falling in to a deep bowl and drowning, because some of them actually land on the little pad. But it's kind of neat to see how many line up on there. Anyway, and what's really cool about these little fountain things, especially these over here, is like in the winter time and stuff, when it's really cold and you want to supply some water and stuff, you can probably take them inside, get your water and stuff ready, and then they have those little battery warmers and stuff that you could put on the side to help keep it from freezing up. So just a thought, that way you can give the little animals the water that they need. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy this. Get something out of it that's good and get you back to nature, and happy gardening. And looky here, I'll catch this really quick. The butterflies are absolutely loving the cosmos this morning. Here's another little guy. And I moved this plant around because I have it in a big pot, which makes it really nice because I moved it next to the water. They get what they need up there at the plant, and sometimes they visit the water dish too. I have put little rocks on top too sometimes. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. And if you get a chance, check out Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking channel on YouTube. My son and I do that. It's a nice little pastime since I retired, and I really love it. Love giving some tips and tricks and just make things fun. Bye.